Rain falls from the sky, softly, without noise. It touches the leaves. It touches the ground. Then it disappears. The tree does not chase the rain. The tree does not hurry. Above the earth, everything looks calm. Below the earth, roots are awake. They listen. They drink slowly. They remember. The rain stays with them long after the clouds are gone. Days pass. The sun returns. The ground looks dry, but the roots remember the rain. Above the ground, the tree stands tall. Its branches are strong. Its leaves are green. What we see is strength. What we do not see is patience. And patience holds everything.